Here's a 1960s era Hammond C3 and a brand new Hammond-Suzuki Leslie 122A cabinet. This was from a church that they had a Leslie 50C that we'd been taking care of for a while, but they wanted to upgrade to a brand new dual speed Leslie. It's got the Leslie insignia on it there. This is the currently produced model, and it uses a single speed motor with a triac speed controller board on it to do the speed changes, because I don't think that the fast speed motors are being made anymore, so they had to go to an electronic setup to achieve the speed change. Here's the maker's data. And it still has the traditional tube type 6550 Leslie amp in it. It comes with a new Leslie cable, and it is new in the box. It's still sitting on the pallet here. Here's the original Leslie box. We'll put it back into the box for sending back to the church. We wanted to bring the entire setup here to the shop so that we could set up the Leslie adapter kit and test it. Here's the Leslie adapter kit. I think this is model 6122. I've got it installed in here. Put all new capacitors in the electronics chassis and have 3 fuses. We've got a 1.5 amp fuse for the electronics chassis. We've got a main power line fuse here, and then another fuse for the Leslie cabinet AC power. We put a new Leslie connector on it because the terminals on the old ones were a little loose. We've noticed cases of arcing due to loose terminals on the Amphenol connector, so we wanted to go ahead and put a brand new one on it. So let's start up the C3 here. We'll put some oil in the C3. Now the tone cabinet is starting up, or the Leslie is starting up. Still got to warm up a little bit. There's the fast speed. Here's the Leslie switch panel. Go to the slow speed. So it's all working good now. We're just testing it out, making sure there's no thermal problems in it. But they'll be ready to pick it up, and then we'll reinstall it back in the church. I'll try and make another video here of actually playing the organ. I was going to bring the seat down here from the C2, which is at the West Building, but I don't have a conveyance that would be big enough to haul the seat. We just got the Lincoln Town Car today. And I had the van yesterday, but I didn't think to bring the seat, so just have to play manuals only to demonstrate it, because I think it's going to go back to its owner tomorrow. So the next video I'll try and play a tune on the organ.